Hello everybody, it's Liam here from Would You Kindly Joinery, and welcome back to another time lapse. This is me breaking apart a pallet just to show you guys what I'm trying to do. Long story short, I thought it'd be a good idea to basically show what I'm trying to do as far as like sustainability and recycling is concerned. I haven't had too many pallets of this size come in yet. It's been mostly like pallet corners and stuff like that, which I've shown in enough videos. But this is the first pallet that I've had because, well, it got broken, so it's quite easy to transport home. So yeah, this is the process, and hopefully it gives you an idea of what I'm trying to do. After all that, this is what you're left with. Several incredibly useful lengths of timber ready to be turned into some kind of awesome furniture. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Hopefully more time lapses will be coming soon, and you'll be able to see what this got turned into very soon. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.